How to fix Roblox, an unexpected error has occurred. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So there are total two steps to resolve this issue. So the first one is clearing the junk files. Simply head over to your Windows, or you can simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and here what you have to do is to simply type percentage temp and percentage again. Now simply hit OK. So once you are here, you have to simply either delete all of these files or simply just find the Roblox. So in my case, I'm deleting all of these junk files. Simply Control A and delete all of these. So once you have deleted all of these files, you have to move to the step number 2, which is uninstalling the Roblox and reinstalling it again. So to do so, you have to simply go to your settings, click on apps and go for apps and features. Now here you have to search for your Roblox. So once you are here, as you can see Roblox player, click on the three dots and simply go for the uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled this, you have to reinstall it again, and maybe this solution resolve your issue. So that's how basically you can fix Roblox and an unexpected error has occurred.